Okay, this is how to do a really fun thing at home. First you will need a lighter. It doesn't matter what kind. Something that you could easily stab through and put a piece of paper in. So you're going to need a little piece of paper and wad it up and kind of make it flared out like that. A knife to cut the potato. And optional, some food coloring for a better effect. The potato, of course. And then you need a plate with elevated edges and fill it up a lot, kind of. And you need this to puncture the hole in the potato, so you need a pencil. You also need a cup with smooth edges. Alright. Alright. First off, take off the cap to your food coloring. Put some in there. You could stir it or whatever. Ooh, it looks kind of really bad on the camera. It's really a brighter green, but it's okay. Okay. Then, after that was optional. Put in your little island. Okay. And just light it and wait till the flame gets to the highest point to put the bottle over it, and it fills up a lot with water. There is more water in this than there is right here. So that's a really cool party trick. And it puts out the flame. It's pretty cool.